Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the Instagram fail to load earlier message problem on your iPhone. If your old Instagram chats are not showing or your previous message won't load, just follow these simple steps. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First go to phone settings and scroll down. Then tap on apps option, tap on search bar, search for Instagram. Now tap on Instagram and force stops. Okay, scroll down, then tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, delete. Okay, back, and now tap on permissions option and check first to last, allow all permission complete, and first calendar allow, back, camera allow, back, and contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, turn on notifications. Okay, back, phone allow, back, and photos and videos allow, back. Okay, back to home screen, and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, back to home screen. Go to Google Play Store, tap on search bar, search for Instagram, and now check update your Instagram app. My Instagram app already update, and see my Instagram app already updated to the latest version. Okay, now open your Instagram app and tap on message option and see. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe and like, comment, share now.